we have not completed those sentences, isn't it? We have not completed all the sentence, only 1 or 2 sentences we have completed, isn't it?
Yes.
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 So let's check out the whole sentence.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
We
Okay.
can.
Good. Okay. As we have learned, I'll just remind you what all we have learned in short and long vowel sounds. Good morning. Okay. And we were learning about the short and long vowels, isn't it? Short
Yes.
and long vowels. What are the short vowels? What are the short vowels? And what are the long vowels? Who can give me the sound of short vowels? Yes, Srinidhi, come on. Say the sounds of short. Okay, I'll help you. Those who were absent for last few days, there were so many, I think. Like A as in apple. A as in apple. E as in E as in egg. Egg. So for this A, you have to open your mouth. For A, you have to open your mouth. And for E, you have to open your mouth a little. And I is like igloo. E. Isn't it? Yes. E. Yes. E. Now, O as in ox. O as in ox. U as in umbrella. U as in umbrella. U as in umbrella. Okay? U as in umbrella. And the long vowels are its names, isn't it? Those are its names. How will you sound these names? It's like long A, E, I, O, U. You have to stretch those letters. You have to stretch those letters. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, did you understand? Yes. Now, in these, you know, there are the vowels, how we will find the vowels. If there is only one vowel, then that is in the short vowel. And if there are two vowels, like as in
Short and long vowel.
yeah, as in cut and cute. For example, cut and cute. Here there is only one vowel sound. So that goes into short vowel. There are two vowel sounds. So it will goes to long vowel, isn't it? If there are two vowels here, which vowel is long? The first vowel is always long. The first vowel is always long. And the second vowel is silent. The first vowel is always long. And the second vowel is silent. Okay, did you understand? Yes. So here in the first sentence, we have many words with so many vowels in it, isn't it?
Yes.
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 So first sentence I will do. First one here, C-A-N. Don't check with the sentence. C-A, with that word, don't look to that word. That is a different kind of thing that I'll teach you later. C-A-N. How many vowels are there? Huh? One vowel. So what type of sound is this? Short sound. What is the short sound of A? What is the short sound of A as in apple? As in apple. So it is A. It is A. And yes. Then how many vowels are there in the second word? Two vowels. In these two vowels, the 1 and 2 vowels, which one will be long and which one will be silent?
A. E is silent and A is long.
The first vowel is always long and the second vowel is
Silent. Silent.
So how will you read this word? M. Isn't it? Make. Make. Yes, make. Very good. This one only one vowel, so it is A. Here, how many vowels are there? One. So what is the sound of I? Short sound of I. As in igloo. As in igloo. E. So what? It. With. What? With. Okay. With. And how many vowels are there here? Two. And which vowel will be? Which vowel is long? O is long and the A is silent. So how will you read this word? Coal. Isn't it? Yes. How many vowels are there? One. So what is that short vowel? What is that vowel? Is it short or long? Short. So how will you read that short vowel sound? What is that sound? Yes. So what is it? And. Isn't it? And this one. This one. How many vowels are there? The last word? Two. So which one is a long vowel there? Which one is a long vowel? Oh, yeah. And A is silent. How will you read this word? Isn't it? Very good. So, Sasha, Sarish, I'll start from you. Can you read the first sentence? One of you. This is he, H-E, he. Okay, that you learn it like that itself now. I'll teach you why it is her, E, he. Come on. Read. He. He. C-A-N. How will you read?
He can.
Zara, can you just mute? Can. Make. Her at. Her at. Hat. With. What is this word? How many vowels? How many vowels? Which is the long vowel in that? Ko. K. O. Will the second vowel, we will pronounce the second vowel? Will we pronounce the second vowel? Yes or no?
It's silent.
It's silent. So how will you read? K-O? Cool. It's not cool. Is the sound of long O is oo? No. So what is it? K-O? Okay. Cool. Say again.
Cold.
Cool. Now, this one. Ant. Yes, ant. Next.
F-O-A-M.
Which one is silent there? Which letter is silent?
A.
Very good. So how will you read letter by letter? Read it letter by letter.
F-O-N.
Sound. Letters sound.
Sound.
So how,
Sound.
what is the letter sound of F? F. Foam. F-O-M. Foam. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
So keep reading, okay? Practice it. Without practice, you will not be able to. Okay, come on. Next one, read the second. Who's going to read now? Okay. Come on, read. What is the... S-T. Like that you read. Each letter.
Silent. E is silent.
Yes, second E is silent. Correct. The first E is long. Yes? Come on. So how will you read? Steve. Steve. Isn't it?
C.
Yes. Come on. Read the next word. Steve. And which letter is silent here? This one, isn't it? First E is long. Yes. So how will you read each letter? P-E-T. How will you read? Pete. Very good. This. How many vowels? Only one vowel. Yes?
Yes.
So it is a short sound. I, isn't it? I. Yes or no? I. Yes. So how will you read? What's the first word, first letter sound? W. I. L. W. I. L. Will. Will. W. W. Will. Then next one. How many vowels?
Short vowels.
Very good. Come on, read.
N-O-T. No-O-T.
Not.
Not.
It's not T. That's why you just leave that word itself. No, N-O-T. Not. T. It is not T. It is T. Okay? Next word. Yeah, next word. There are how many vowels?
Two vowels.
Two vowels. So how will you read? The second one is silent. Come on.
Eat.
Yes, eat. Correct. Eat.
Eat.
This one.
Red.
In this one. Two. So the first one is long and the second is silent.
Silent.
Eat. Isn't it? Me. Meet. Very good. So keep reading like this. Keep practicing. Come on, Sasha. Third one.
The
Hmm.
the TH the VINE.
Which is a long one? Which is a long one?
I.
So how will you read? D I. So
Dine.
very good.
Dine is.
The same way, the next word, isn't it?
Dine is.
Hmm.
I and E. I is
Long. Correct. Correct.
I is long.
So what's the sound of the letter? M. I.
My.
Correct.
B-U-T.
Correct.
The T-I-E.
Which is long one?
I is long.
Very good. So how will you read? T-I. Tie. Good. Then.
Is not M-I-N-E. E.
E is silent, correct. M.
M-I-N. Mine.
Very good. Well read. Okay. Zara, come on. Fourth one. Zara Batul.
Dad cut the cake. And
what is that word? How many vowels are there in this word?
2.
2. And which one will be long? Correct? A. And this is silent. So how will you, the long sound of A is? A, isn't it?
A.
Then what is the next letter? What is the sound of the next letter?
T.
Correct. So how is it? A.
A.
Correct.
8.
1 second.
A.
Zara, 1 second.
B.
Wait. Can I write here A and C? Can you see this on the board? What I'm writing?
Yes.
Yes or no, all of you?
Yes.
Yes. Look here,
Yeah.
I have only one letter difference. Is here, yes or no?
Yes.
In the first word, there is only how many vowels?
1.
1.
1.
In the second word, there is
2.
2. So the first word, only one vowel. What will be the sound of this letter? This letter, what will be the sound?
A.
Short. As in apple. As in apple.
As an apple.
So what will be the sound? Yes. So how will you read this? And what is the sound of this letter? Second letter there.
2.
So
T.
at. What will be the sound of long? A. And what is the sound? Here this one is silent, isn't it? We will not say that letter. Yeah. So
2.
how will you read?
8.
8. Very good. This is how you should learn. Come on. Complete it. Zara, complete.
A big.
A big. Here it is long and this one is silent. Yes?
Yeah.
So how will you read? B. What is the long sound of I? B. I. What is the next letter?
Bite.
Very good. Well done. Athana. Fifth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one. M-E-G. How many vowels are there? How many vowels?
One vowel.
One vowel. In that one vowel, so what will be the sound of that one vowel?
E.
Is
E.
it E? As in egg.
Egg.
What is the sound? Egg. Yeah, the short vowel sound of E. Letter E is egg, isn't it? So how will you read? Egg. Read. Meg.
Meg.
Then is. What is this? How many vowels are there, Ethna? How many vowels? How many?
I.
No. In
One
this word.
vowels.
This is, isn't it? I-S. Is. Yes. Then in this word. Next word. How many vowels?
One.
Which word in this?
Two.
Two. So which is long and which is silent?
Long.
And the other one is? Silent. So how will you read this word? K-U-T.
Put.
I said you. Long. So k-u-t.
Huge.
Well done. Continue reading this one. Next word. B-a-t. Isn't it? Sound of U. Short U. Sound of short U is O. So how will you read B-a-t? Yes or no? Then what is the what is the next word? She. S-H-E. She. Yes. Now this one.
One vowel.
So how will you read? E, isn't it? Sound of igloo. As in igloo. Is. Is. Isn't it? One vowel. Very. Very.
Very rude.
Rude. D, isn't it?
Rude.
Yes, good. Children, you have, if you wanted to read it clearly without any help, what you should do? You should think about the what?
Practice.
Sound. You have to think the sound of that letter and read. One by one letter you have to think and read. Think about the sound, not the letter. Don't read the letter. Read with the sound. Okay? Got it? Aditya. Aditya. Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this word which I circled?
Yes.
Yes. Can you look there? How many words are there? How many letters are there? How many letters?
Del.
No. I just want here which is a long letter, long vowel, and which is a silent.
Long sound. Hello. Long sound.
How many vowels are there? Before that, tell me that, Aditya. How many vowels are there?
A.
How many? One or two? How many? Ah, one and two. Yes, A and E. One, two. So in this, which vowel is silent and which vowel is long?
Daily. Daily. Day.
I'm asking which vowel is long?
Long sound already.
A.
A. Yes. So how will you read? And this vowel is silent. Yes. Now how will you read the word d? A. L. Yes.
Day.
Dale. Very good. Nihit. Very good, Aditya. Nihit.
Yes.
Can you see this word here?
Yes.
Yes. What is the spelling of that word? R U
R
D.
U D E.
Yes. So how will you read? What is the sound? How many vowels are there?
Two.
Two vowels. And so if there are two vowels, the first vowel will be long and the second vowel is silent. Yes.
Okay.
How will you read now? R. What is the long sound of this letter? This letter. What is the long sound of this letter?
U.
U. So how will you read? And only the small letter. This letter is silent. Yes. So R, U, D. Isn't it? R, U, D. So what is it? Rude. Yes.
Yes.
Class.
Yes or no? So
Yes.
you have, all of you, you will have to read the words with the help of the sound of the letter. Don't read the name of the letter. Look at the letter and think what is the sound of that letter and then start reading. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
What is okay. Let me ask you, what will you read? How will you read this word? Namasri. Namasri. How many vowels are there, dear? How many vowels are there?
Two.
Two vowels. So which one will be long and which is silent?
Long.
Which is long vowel?
O.
O is a long vowel. And the second vowel, you will not say that vowel. So how will you read? F. O.
Lot.
Float. What is the sound of O? Letter O? It's not O. It is O. What's it? O. Okay? Yes. Float. Very good. Abel, can you please read this one? You're welcome, dear. No. This. Huh? Which are the letters there? I'm writing this side. Isn't it? Yes or no? 80. Yes. So how many vowels, Abel?
One.
Only one vowel there, Abel?
C.
What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So from this, two vowels. Yes. And if there are two vowels, which vowel will be long?
O.
Yeah, O is long. And the second one is silent. Yes? Yes. So how will you read? B.
B.
O. T. Isn't it? Boat. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Well read. Next. Ethan. Ethan, read this word. which I circle right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
B.
I. Yes, very good.
I.
So how will you read that word?
Bite.
Bite. Yes. So children, what you should do, I will send these words, these sentences. You have to practice at home. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Vaikartan. Come on. Read this word. Vaikartan.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this word. Ma. No, it's long one. It's long one. Ma. This letter is long. So what is the sound of it? Ma. E. This is silent. So
Long vowel.
this is long one. Yes. So how will you sound that? What is the sound of that letter?
Vowel.
What is the sound of that? Ma. E. Correct. The last one.
Meat.
What's it? Meat. Isn't it? Yes or no? Ma. Eat. Yes? Yes. So you will have to do it by yourself at home and practice. And on the next class, I'll make you say the same things, which is long, which is short, and you will have to tell me. Will you do it?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's it, children.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.